Coffee natin from Dunkin. 5 down, 5 more to go. Next one. Go na. Okay, next one natin is from Patricia or Phil ng 49C naman. Magkatabi yata sila. Ito, okay, maganda to.
Yes! What's your dream role? Excuse me po. For a future project? Ang dami ko pong gustong gawin na project. Actually, ang dami ko pong gustong itry. Gusto ko naman siguro mas stronger na personality ng character or something na hindi ko pa nagagawa like horror or medyo suspense. I wanna try those. Or, of course, my bida kontra bida dream role.
Oh, wow! Yan ang abangan pa natin.
Gusto ko matry.
Pero ikaw, when it comes to movies, ano yung mas genre na pinapanood mo naman?
Romantic.
Ako?
Mas rom-com ka ba?
Actually, lahat eh. But growing up, I really like watching chick flicks. Mga rom-com. Yes, yeah. Feel good. I love watching feel good. Mga How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, Notting Hill. Pero ang minarathon ko lately, Disney.
Oh, man.
Disney movies, yan.
Wait lang, speaking of Disney, palapakan muna natin si Belle! Napakalang achievement ng 1 at 2.
Thank you.
Kailan mo release? Parang na-release na to dito.
Yes, it was released na. So thank you so much.
Ayan, i-stream nyo ha. The title is...
Anong darat na? Yes.
Thank you. Congrats, Belle.
Thank you po.
Okay, so that's 6. 4 more to go. Gusto mo this time ikaw pumili, tapos bigyan mo muna sa akin.
Uy, baka mamaya kasi yung mabunot ko. Nakabahan ako.
May kape ka dyan. Okay, so this one is from Chloe.
Chloe? Ikaw ba ito ulit, Chloe?
Same name.
Same ba ito? Ay, no.
More chances of winning ka ba, Chloe? Or a different one?
Ano ba ito? Hindi, mas maganda ka. Grabe naman yun.
So, tinanong kasi ni Chloe, bakit ang ganda-ganda daw ni Belle? O, diba? Ayan. So, of course, diba? When it comes to, like you mentioned, diba, managing your time, kasama na rin dyan ang overall health natin. Alright, so para always glowing, ang nag-isang Belle Mariano. Okay, so that's 7. We have 3 more to go. Gusto mo ikaw or ako?
Natakot ako pag ako bumubunot.
Ayaw yan.
Sige na nga.
Okay,
Oh. From Tonton.
ay,
Hello,
nandun mo si Tonton.
Hi, Tonton. Kamusta po kayo, Tonton?
Kinabahan ka ngayon, Tonton.
Ayan. This question is, what is your favorite hobby? Ako? Thank you for that question, Tonton. Ako, ang ginagawa ko lately,
Ano nangyayari dyan?
ano nangyayari dyan?
Asa pa si Tonton, yung totoong Tonton.
Ayan.
Ayun na yun. Na-shy na siya.
Lately ako,
Hobbies.
well, I've been doing aerial, actually, pero it's been a while since I last did it. Siguro last month po yung last ko ginawa.
Wait, paano area?
Yung ginawa ko ng concert.
Ah!
Yeah, tinuloy-tuloy ko po siya.
Na-enjoy mo siya?
Yes. So that, and it's working out a hobby.
Oo naman,
Yeah.
part na rin siya.
I run almost every day. So yun po yung ginagawa ko.
Running area ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
Diba? Baka makita natin si Bas mga fun runs.
Marathon
na ba agad?
Wait, wag na ba? Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko. Pero dream ko yun. Dream ko mag-marathon.
Akala ko yung hobby mo, yung ginagawa niyo nila is near. Ano yung ginagawa
Yeah,
niyo?
padel, of course. Padel and my books and movies. Ayan, syempre.
All in, sama-sama na rin yan. pagdating sa mga books, may certain time ka ba sa pagbabasa? Like before matulog, bagong gising. Kasi di ba may mga morning routines yung iba na after waking up, they read like 20 pages of a book. How was it for you?
Ako, sometimes, there are times na I find myself na, I'm in the mood to read, so magbabasa talaga ako. Pero minsan, pag matutulog, minsan, ganito, feeling ako lang pa, nahiya ako i-share. Pero sige, i-share ko po. Minsan, pinipili ko yung pinaka-boring na book. Babasahin ko para makatulog po ako. So, yun.
Parang sa page pa lang pwede.
Yes. So, yun. Pero may moments naman na, okay, gusto ko magbasa.
Mas fiction ka ba or non-fiction?
Both naman, actually. Both naman. Pero, yeah, lately kasi, may nabasa ko script.
Okay. So, bawal makatulog naman pag script sa ayusin. Alright. We have two left. Next one. So, Tonton, congratulations!
Thank you, Tonton! Hi, Tonton!
Kota si Tonton ah!
Magkanagta na ako! Okay.
Kata pala.
So, different school, different pronunciation, pero ang pangalan niya yata is Vane? From which row?
VIP row B, 6-1. What is your...
6-1. Okay.
Okay, row B, 6-1.
Okay, and the question is?
What is your message to your younger self? Thank you po for that question. Grabe naman. Magiging emotional pa ba tayo? To my younger self, I'm glad you enjoyed your years.
Ay, sino ba?
Sino ba? Alam mo, Derek, ang galing niyo po talaga pagdating sa tayo pinakanta. Pero I'm glad na na-enjoy ko yung younger years ko. So, to my younger self, ano mas pwede kong sabihin? Thank you for always trying and believing, and thank you for being that kid who dreamed big. Actually, I just really want to thank my younger self, and my younger years were the years that molded me to become who I am today. So I just want to thank my younger self for dreaming, for trying, and yeah, dapat natulog ka na. Natulog ka! Kung sinasabi ng mama mo sa'yo, matulog ka.
Nung pwede pa.
Nung pwede pa. Kasi pag tumanda ka at wala kang tulog, pagsisisihan mo. So, dapat nakinig ka sa mama mo.
Love that. Pero,
Love you, ma. Sorry na. Ayun.
Yeah,
So,
we also wanna know, kasi for some, especially the young ones na talaga inspired sa'yo, we wanna know, did the younger version of Belle doubt herself?
oo naman. Actually, I think the doubt entered when I turned, you know, those puberty years po. When I was around 14, 15, nung time kasi na yan, parang dyan na ako growth spurt ba yun?
Yeah.
Yung nagde-develop na lahat.
Changes,
Yes. Hormones natin nag-iiba. Yun yung parang naging awkward years ko. And dun ko na sabi na, parang I really question kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Or okay pa ba yung ginagawa ko? Pero at the same time, parang there's always this kid in me na up to now, nandito pa rin siya na parang, you know, I really want to make her happy. And I hope I am. And I will do my best to make her happy, so.
And for sure she is. Proud na proud ngayon ng younger version of Paul. Some version mo right now. Diba? Grabe kayo magtanong. Oh, last one.
Yan, hanggang bukas na. Pwede na ako na dito.
Bakit wala akong kape? Okay. Ay, nagsip pa siya ulit! Diyos niyo.
Teka na uho ka. Hindi, puno na lang tayo na isa.
Okay, one more.
Oh!
One more.
Hindi naman This one is from Arabelle.
Arabelle. CKS Diamond. Happy birthday! Birthday niya?
Ay, asan siya?
Sabi niya, can you greet me a happy birthday?
Arabelle of which seat?
Diamond.
Diamond, nandito ba siya?
Shine bright like a diamond.
Nagtuturo sila doon. Arabelle, are you
Sorry
here?
po. Wala po. Hi po!
Sa pinaka-white?
Yes, I think siya yung
Black!
birthday niya po.
Asan? Tayo na si Arabelle.
Ay, nag-hi kasi siya eh.
Ayan, kay Arabelle, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Ayan, di na-
Happy birthday, Arabelle! Thank you for being here. We're so happy you're here. Salamat po.
Yes, thank you for being part of the day. Diba? Being part of Belle's Day also. So thank you so much. That's it. We have 10 answered questions and 1 unanswered question. So,
Uy!
pwede ko pa tanongin ito backstage?
Oo naman.
Okay.
Hoy!
An hour
Thank you!
later! Alright, that has been it. Nasagot ni Bella.